This is not a regular hotel or restaurant video. Kitchen Asia TV visited Food Beverage Indonesia Expo at Expo Kemayoran, Jakarta. And we cannot wait to show you around. Follow us!
Dengan mengucap Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, kita buka Chef Expo 2022. Yeah!
The 4-day fair showcased exciting food technology and packaging that benefits small and big F&B entrepreneurs. And most importantly, guests can enjoy food bazaar and cooking demo by celebrity chefs. This event wrapped up on May 21st, but don't worry, Food, Beverage, and Chef Festival is coming to Solo, Central Java, taking place at the Tjolomadoe Solo on October 14 until 16, 2022. Follow the event's Instagram for more information, link in the description below. See you in October. Bye!